Hey everybody, I'm here at Flor De Mayo. It's a permaculture farm and bed and breakfast in San Jose, Costa Rica. Here for the Costa Rica Fruit Festival. I'm just going to give you a little tour of the farm and the little bed and breakfast here. Right over here is where I'm staying. They've got a lot of rooms, but I just decided to camp out in the tent. There's big tarps and things like that. It's pretty sweet. So there's my little tent, and then we're gonna go into the kitchen really quickly and check out the fruit that we just got from the market.
The monocultures, yeah. But if they don't.
That's what I'm saying. So it's like, think about it, being a potato and like being in a room. The last peach palm. Peach palms are another time in there. And it makes a really good palm art too. I love those things. Hey, you pull those.
Alright, here's a fresh pig jackfruit we just cut this morning. I'll show you guys all the fruit trees in a minute. We actually had 2 of them and we ate one this morning. It was super delicious, probably the best jackfruit I've ever had. And it was really cool. I got to climb up in a tree and cut it down. I wish I had recorded it. It was epic and it's delicious. Alright, going on a little tour of the permaculture farm. It is beautiful. There are tons of really cool fruit trees. Most of it is all unripe, and anything that was ripe, we pretty much picked all of it yesterday. But this is just kind of a neat little pathway to get down to the fruit trees. And there's also going to be a pool down here, which I'll talk about once I get up to it. Big ant piles. The ants here are crazy. They're huge, and let's see, there might be some over here. They're so strong and they look like ridiculous. They're huge. Little bamboo walkway. This is kind of neat. Bunch of stones. There are tons of humongous spiders out here also, super beautiful and colorful. Right, down there's the pool. Ooh, and these are really beautiful. They said that it's a non-edible version of, I think they said ginger. I can't remember, but it's really cool, and it's got like rainwater. They said if you're dehydrated in the jungle, then you can just sip water out of the little leaves there. It's pretty neat. So this pool is filled up by 100% fresh spring water. You could just completely drink from this, and actually this is where we fill up our water from this little hose here. It's totally fresh spring water, and we just bring our bottles down here and fill it up with that, and it goes right into the pool, and we're swimming in amazing fresh spring water. And they got little shower heads over there. Oh, and then there's a nice pretty little spider. They're everywhere. All over my campsite and just all over the place here in Costa Rica. Super beautiful. And then all the fruit trees are down here in this other trail. Bamboo growing all over the place. spiders. Alright, so here's all the trees. Here's a super young papaya tree. Little papaya right there. And a lot of these trees I don't think grow fruit, so we kind of had to look around for the good fruit trees. They've got the jackfruit tree, which we picked from earlier. They have humongous moths. And I don't know if these are oranges. Alright, here's a mangosteen tree. This was so exciting for me. I got to pick my first fresh mangosteen. Let's see where, there we go. And it's the best mangosteen I've ever had. I think we picked probably all of the good ones yesterday. We had like 10 of them, and hopefully more will be ready soon. But it's awesome. They've got banana trees. And some other kinds of fruits that I don't even know what they are. See if I can find one of the banana trees. They've got a bunch of bamboo growing down there. And then, I don't know what this is. All of them look kind of old, but they almost look like young either sugar apples or cherry moya or something. A little pond over here, tons of green algae. And all that bamboo growing. Super cool. Oh, and then here, another tree. It looks like maybe sugar apples or something like that that are growing on it, but they're all old and rotten. I don't know what these are. I don't think they're fruit though. Oh, here's one of those ants. These guys are crazy. They carry like huge leaves. Sometimes they'll be in like a huge trail and you'll just see a line of leaves. And they're super big and scary looking. Trying to find a banana tree. They have a few of them growing. Mangosteen. This looks like limes maybe, or oranges, I don't know. Alright, I think there's a banana tree right over here. Oh yeah. There they are. So this is a super awesome experience for me. I've never seen fruit trees growing like this, and that mangosteen that we got to pick and eat yesterday and the jackfruit we had this morning, they're the best that I've ever had, and it was super cool. I got to pick from the trees, climb up the trees, and you know, get the jackfruit down by hand. It was really cool and fun and delicious. So that's my tour of the permaculture farm here, Flor De Mayo, and I'll be posting more videos at the Costa Rica Fruit Festival and Punta Mona. Talk with you guys soon. Here are those crazy ants I was talking about. They're so strong. God, look at that one. He's huge. doing work. Wow.